Hey y'all, it's Munchpak time again. Let me get my glasses on so I can see. Ooh. And I will read off all the good stuff that Munchpak has to offer. You can customize your Munchpak with a variety of snack options such as spicy, chips, gummy, sweet, and crunchy. They have 3 different Munchpak box sizes. Munchpak Mini, which has 5 snack options. 10 snacks, which is the original Munchpak, and the family pack, which has 20 snacks. They have drinks. You can add sodas, coffee, juice, tea to your Munchpak. You can choose your subscription to renew every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. They offer customizable gift subscription options. And they also have an online gift store where you can purchase specialty items, your favorite snacks and drinks. And they also have a snack scanner app, which is available for download on both Android and Apple devices. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I can open my Munchpak. Oh, okay. And this one was packed by Nick. Thank you, Nick. Made just for me by Nick. Okay. Ready? Looks like I got a lot of chips in this one. Let's see. Alrighty. The first thing I picked up were these Thai rings, Oriental spice flavor. And on the back it says from Largo Foods, and it says from Lisbon. And a little research told me that was in Ireland. I hope I'm correct. But I'm going to give these a taste. Smell sweet, but I'm guessing they're spicy. These little rings. Sweet, tangy, with the tiniest bit of spice. I think I taste some lime in there. It says they have a bit of punch to them. In a slap your thigh, or should I say Thai kind of way. Cute. One more. Put those over there. And these are potato snacks, potato puffs. And it says right at the bottom here on the back, the original Irish snack. So I guess these are from Ireland as well. Okay, this is an interesting looking chip. It's a little puff. Looks baked. Nice crunch. It has a nice seasoning on it. Onion powder, Taste that. Paprika extract, turmeric extract. Salt. Oh, this one's a double one. I like them. Suitable for vegetarians. Okay. And moving right along. Calbee shrimp chips baked. And on the back here it says product of Thailand. Right there on the back. Let's see if I can open these like that. Not as easily. I'm going to cut them. Ooh, shrimpy. Ooh, it's yummy. And the flavor's not as strong as they smell, but they're little shrimpy puffs. Some of them have a strong flavor. Wheat puff snacks. Original. Serving size, one whole package. Oh, there's a lot in there too. That's a nice big serving. There's 130 calories. That's not too bad. Let's see, I guess I'll go for the next thing here. Okay. Oker Dankek, 8 kek. Can't pronounce that very well, but this is how it looks like. And on the back it says made in Turkey. Let's see. But it looks like chocolate and banana cake. Ooh. Have to be careful. Okay. It's a nice little cake. It's a strong banana flavor. Nice chocolate. It has a chocolatey filling. There's the vanilla cake. Mm. Mm. Okay, let's see. This is a Win 2 potato crisp, barbecue flavor. Right here. And, oh, the rating is very tiny. It looks like it's from Malaysia. Maybe Singapore, in that general area. Okay, let's open her up and eat it. Oh, there's a couple of them in here. Oh, and they're broken. They are very broken. But tasty. The potato crisp didn't travel well. Yummy. It's so thin though. It's very thin. Oh well. Let's see what now. Taiwan taro flavor wafer, mincher. I'm not just gonna guess it's from Taiwan. Has to actually say. Yep, Taiwan. Okay. Let me cut it. I don't want to break it. Oh, it's a cute little wafer. It is gonna so crumble though. Maybe I should have a little plate. Pause. See, I don't know if I showed the packaging very well, but there's the package. And what it looks like. And I'm going to have a bite. To be honest, I don't taste a whole lot going on. It's kind of ricey, I guess. It's mildly sweet. I'm enjoying the texture though. The crisp. Okay. Let's see. Pizza, Pretz, baked snack sticks from Glico. It says to open. And this is another product of Thailand. Oh, excuse me. I've eaten enough already to make me burp. There's a few little snacks. Oh, they're so little. Mmm. They've got these little marks on the one side. Little grill marks, like, how cute. Oh, and they have a strong pizza flavor. Mmm. There's a bunch of broken ones in there, but there's a bunch not. Oh. Okay, this next item is Roundtree's Jelly Tots since 1881. Says it's a Nestle product. Nestle Co. UK. Okay, I'll take that. Let's see, let me open the end here. Little baby jellies. Jelly tots, huh? Well, it's refreshing after those pizza sticks. Little teeny tiny things. Oh, jelly tots. You'll see they had a little sticker here that you peel and reclose. I didn't see that till later. That's cute. Okay. Let's see, here's some cookies. Bulker. And Cocoa Prince. Let's see. Here. And the writing is upside down. Made in Turkey. Oh, little sandwich cookies. Hmm. Hmm. Chocolate. Hmm. Is that hazelnut I'm tasting? I wouldn't be surprised if that was hazelnut. Yep, hazelnut. It sure is. Hazelnut cocoa cream. It sure is. Mmm. 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 Yummy. Mmm. Yum. Mm-mm. Okay. Cambridge and Tim's vanilla flavored cream cookies. Here's the box on this side, and here's the box on this side. And it says right here, product of Poland. So that's something I haven't had, I don't think. Let's see, which end is up. Ooh, they're cute cookies. Ooh, how pretty. Oh my goodness. That is a beautiful little cookie. Little orange dots, or a little orangey looking cookie. Creamy stuff with dots in it. There we go. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's good. It's very creamy. I don't know if I was expecting an orange cream because of the color on the box, but it's just creamy. Mmm. Mmm. Like a vanilla cream. Mmm. Mmm. Well, I like these cookies. That's a treat. Mmm. Wow, the chips are a winner, are winners, and all the cookies are winners. I'm liking all the candy too. One more. Oh yeah. What are they doing out there? Mmm. Oh man. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Mmm. Alrighty, and last but not least, from the Alamo Candy Company of the Great Taste of Texas, made in San Antonio, cherry bombs. Sweet and sour, chewy, deliciously seasoned with a little kick. Made in San Antonio, Texas. Let's see. I'm trying to see how far up I gotta cut this. Yep, that's good. Ooh. Little red bowls. Yep, I can taste the chili right away. And the sour. But not bad though. A little spice. A lot of sweet. Oh, don't bite it though. Oh, and just suck the stuff off. Oh my God. Ooh. First it's spicy. And then it gets sour. And then sweet. Cherry bomb. All right. That's my munch pack for the month, y'all. That was awesome. Oh, and one more thing. I got me a letter in the mail from a Miss Sandra Russell. Let me get in there. If I can. Oh, why is that so hard? And I got a beautiful card. And also, check this out. The stamp is Elvis. That is awesome. I was like, Elvis. I'm a big Elvis fan. Warmest thoughts are with you. Aww. Dear Candy, just wanted you to know you are a friend to me and I look forward to new videos. Much love and friendship from Sandy in St. Louis. Thank you, Sandy. Mwah. Oh, and so ends another Munchpak adventure. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if y'all want to come back for more, subscribe. And if y'all want to get notified on when my next video is, hit that little bell, ding my bell, ring my bell, how do you say that? And I will see y'all next time. Mwah. Bye now.